One of the tasks we are given is to raise our kids and also to take care of our children at home. Whenever we to make a decision or not to make a decision, we are confused and trouble with what to consider and what not to consider. Who are we to make a decision? See, one important thing we all need to understand is children only come through you. They don't come from you. They are not your property to be conducted whichever and whatever way you feel like. No, they are not. We need to understand this. Look now, one thing is if you want to produce something little better than yourself to the world, and it's very important, and if you produce a child, then the child should be at least one step better than you, isn't it? Because if the same nonsense is going to happen one more time, then what's the point in it? So something better has to happen means the first and most fundamental thing is you are 100% straight. Even if it is embarrassing, it is the ultimate truth which you have to accept. See, I can understand this is something very hard for some of the parents, like that's the only place where they get to boss around. See, they have a committed audience in their kids, because wherever else they'll go, no one will listen to them. Children are the only audience who face all the frustration bossing of their parents. What our children need is a good company. They don't need a boss walking around in the house for the whole day. So just tell me one thing. When you were growing up, did you liked it being talking down for the whole time? No, never. They need is a friend. They don't need parents, as that job is already done, isn't it? The only qualification you have against them or over them is that you landed few years earlier than them on this planet. That's it, and that's all you have. See, leave them free, set them free, let them do whatever they want to do. Don't force them to do anything. Let them explore. Only protect them from wrong influences. You need to show your commitment and your involvement regarding life. That's it, and that's all. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Daddy, you are the sweetest dad in the world. Daddy is the most handsome. He is the smartest. He is the most clever, the kindness. He is my superhero. He is just great. But he lies. He lies about having a job. He lies out about having money. He lies about that he is not hired. He lies about that he is not hungry. He lies about that we have everything. He lies about his happiness. He lies because of me and for me. Still he cares for me. He helps me in doing my school work. He helps me in my studies. He takes me out to play. He works hard for me and to fulfill my needs. He also sometimes cooks tasty food for me. He is such a great person. He is my first love. He will always be my superhero. Daddy, you are the best. I love you so much.
मेरे सपने अपने समझकर पूरा उनको करते हो, उन सपनों की कीमत क्या क्या सह के अदा करते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे कुछ नहीं कहते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो।
दो कपड़े कम पास तुम्हारे, तुमको ये नहीं परवाह है। बच्चों को कुछ कमी रहे ना, इसी बात का झगड़ा है।
अपने लिए बाजार हो जाते, मेरे लिए ले आते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो। दुख हो चाहे सुख हो तुम्हारी, आंखें नम नहीं होती है। दिल से निकलती मेरे लिए दुआएं कम नहीं होती है।
गुस्से में कभी बात करूं तो मन ही मन सह जाते हो।
पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे कुछ नहीं कहते हो। है मालूम कि मेरी खातिर तुम जान भी दे सकते हो।
एक इंसान नहीं सारे जहां से मेरे लिए लड़ सकते हो।
मेरी तरफ एक आँच भी आए तो खुद आगे आ जाते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे कुछ नहीं कहते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते